Parlux 385 PowerLight hairdryer. There's been a bit of buzz about it on iGlamour, but we finally got our hands on them and we can see them here at the show. There's the new pink and the new orange, which is stunning, as well as all the other classic colours that we know and love from Parlux. The beauty with this one, it's 2,150 watts of power, but this dry is super light. When we first picked it up, we actually thought this was just a prototype and didn't have a motor. It's so light. We're super excited about this at iGlamour, and we can't wait to take these home ourselves.